Go ahead. Go ahead.
Alright. I get this climb, alright. I'm hunting out a climber. I never hunted it. You guys know I ain't hunting no climber. It's your climber. So Brian would go over there, shows me how to get it. We spend about 15 minutes trying to put this doggone harness on. I mean, we're out here in the middle of the pea field trying to figure out how to put this thing on. I said, dude, we gotta get this thing.
How did you have that thing at first?
Huh?
No interruptions. No interruptions. Go ahead.
We corrected the strap. There's something with me there right now. And so we got out there. I got out there about 20 foot up in the air. And I waved, right? Right before dark. Here comes a doe. And then here comes that 10-point buck. Then that 10-point, when he started, I said, man, and the doe come underneath me, then another one come out underneath me. I was like, man, I can nail them. But then I started keeping an eye on the buck, and I said, when he come through, straight at me, I said, oh yeah, he's coming. And then that's when my heart started kicking, bro. I said, what's the matter? I said,
What's that? What's the matter?
Come on, please, calm me down, right? And then, so he got broadside from about 25 yards away. So I'm holding there, and I said, yeah, I got a good shot. So when I shot, I hit a twig. I said, man. So he just jumps a little bit. He didn't go far, he just jumps a little bit. I said, man, he's giving me another shot. So I turned around, my quiver's up on this hook thing, right? So I heard him snatch me another arrow. I put it in, he walks back in the same spot. At this time, I'm really shaking. Dude, I'm serious. That's buck fever. You know? Look, I couldn't stop, but I got to shoot him. I've been waiting for this deer all week. 5 days in a row, I'm hunting for this deer. And then I started looking at him again. Now I went again. I said, well, look, I peeked. I said, yeah, it's close. My thing's going like this. I'm thinking myself. So I calmed down just a little bit. I shot. But on that one, I didn't fall through on the sight. You know, I pulled away too quick. I was too anxious. I wanted to see if I hit him. I heard a doop. Don't you know he jumps a little further away, he's about 35 yards from me now, straight in front of me. I'm thinking, well, maybe he didn't feel the arrow. It went straight through him so quick. You waited for him to drop? So crazy, he drops right there, but he didn't drop. So, that's the other part that he's waiting on. I got my third arrow. Now you gotta realize I never run out. But just so I put the third arrow in, and I'm leaning over to look for him. And I'm caught in the moment with me and this deer, you know? Just keep that in mind. So that's where my mind's in. I'm not thinking straight. So when I leaned over, I leaned a little too far. Body weight went. I'm hanging it. You ever seen that commercial on the Outdoor Channel, the dude's hanging? That was me. Hey, I got my bow in my hand though. The arrow was gone though, cause I thought he'd still be there. I'm looking. I'm hanging the day I'm looking. He's gone. So I threw my bow on the ground. So I grabbed the ladder stick for the climber. I pushed up on it. It goes. I'm hanging. I said, this can't be happening. You know what I mean? So I'm hanging. And when it went, I stopped. I started hanging. I got my knife right here, so I grabbed the knife.
What you did first?
I was trying to text him too. Yeah, after I threw my phone on the ground, I reached for my phone.
He's trying to call you.
Yeah, he said no signal. So I put it back. Then that's when I ran, after doing that, then I wrapped my leg around the tree and I cut it. Shut it down. And so I went and get a branch. It was low enough, a long branch, so I could push up on it. That's how I got you stand down.
You ain't going back up there.
My bag and all was still 20 foot up in the air. So I waited till he got out. I said, dude, you mind going to get my bag? wish I
We won't either.
He said I had my boat.
if I had hair,
Oh my God. James, my cheeks hurt. That's why. Hey, Jim, my cheeks hurt. I'm laughing so hard.
Hey, where'd he go? Where'd he go?
all week for this.
You gotta know
Hey, that's the first time. Check this out. It's the first time I ever been in the farm. First time I ever shot at a buck with my bow. And hopefully the last time I fall out. That's one thing I don't want to experience again.
Oh, man.